What treatments can repair damaged hair? Deep conditioning treatments help restore moisture, strength, and elasticity to brittle hair. Protein treatments rebuild damaged hair structure by replenishing lost keratin and reinforcing weak strands. Bond-building treatments, like Olaplex or K18, repair broken hair bonds caused by chemical or heat damage. Hot oil treatments with argan, coconut, or olive oil deeply nourish and add shine to dry, damaged hair. Leave-in conditioners provide continuous hydration and protection against daily environmental stressors. Trimming off split ends prevents further breakage and allows healthier hair growth. Using a sulfate-free, gentle shampoo and conditioner minimizes further damage and retains natural oils. Avoiding heat styling or using a heat protectant spray reduces the risk of worsening damage. Scalp treatments with essential oils or exfoliating scrubs improve hair health from the root. Protective hairstyles like braids or buns help minimize friction and breakage. Silk pillowcases and microfiber towels prevent snagging and excessive friction, keeping hair smoother. With consistent care and the right treatments, damaged hair can recover, regain strength, and look healthier over time.